Hey, what up, y'all? I'm here with a short video for y'all today. As usual, another E46 clip. We're here with the silver car today, and I've been having issues with the coolant system. Like after I fixed all those other issues of leaks, I noticed I'm having a slight leak after I parked the car. And let's check this out. So yeah, it don't look like much, but let's come here. And when we remove this coolant cap, switch hands right quick because this is my strong hand. As you can see, it has this white residue along the lip, well, bluish residue from the coolant coming back through, right? Because if you look at these O-rings, wait, dang it. If you look at these O-rings, they look pretty used and worn and almost the same size and not really taking up the space they should that work appropriately. So today, our coolant system upgrade we're going to be doing today is going to be a new coolant cap from German Auto Solutions. And this coolant cap is actually special. Hence being, if you look at the O-rings, you can see they're poked out a little bit more because they're newer O-rings. This coolant cap actually lowers the pressure and the coolant system from 2 bar to 1.2 bar, which is 17.4 psi, and will actually allow to alleviate some pressure. That way it's not just exploding things like the expansion tank hoses, heater hoses, anything you could think of, cracking plastic lines, because our system, when it operates at 2 bar, it's actually at the limit of what the system can handle. So we'll see how this does today. Maybe we should add a little bit of coolant in there. Let's do that first, and then we'll throw this in. Back with some coolant. Gonna get her topped off right quick. Go slow so you can make sure you're not overfilling the system. Got some more coolant in the car, but should be normally enough. Let's see. I'm gonna grab our new cap. I'm gonna go ahead and push that down with it. And screw it on there. Oh, quality. It screws on nice. I feel like it goes on better than the plastic caps. Oh, that's nice. And it looks good too. It's black, matches it. When you buy this, you have the option of getting it without the logo, and it's about 40 bucks, $39.95 or something like that. Decent on shipping. They're located in California. I got mine in 3 days. Check them out. I'm gonna do a review in a couple more days later just to let you know how it works out. But let me know if you guys like this. If you want me to do more simple videos like this, we'll do it. All right, we're gonna do a second update since I done cleaned out the car some. Fresh leaks. Everything's just the original stuff from before. I don't have no puddles underneath the cars after I just got done vacuuming her out. So we'll see. We'll do another quick update later, and I'm gonna do another thorough review after a couple of days. I noticed it took a little bit longer for the car to heat up today, probably just an extra 5 minutes, but so far so good. No overheating, no nothing, and no coolant spilling out. So we'll see after I get out of work tonight. All right, I'll take another video later. See you guys in a few. Alright, so I just got off work. You ready for the good news? For some odd reason, I was delivering in Auburn Hills today, and I found a fucking BMW specific floor mat in the middle of the street, bro. Talk about a blessing, yo. I needed a floor mat. Y'all remember in the beginning of the video, I didn't have a fucking floor mat, so now look. Let's throw this in here. Oh my God. We're gonna make it fit, because that looks pretty damn decent. I'm not gonna be mad. It looks so much better already, so much better. My new floor mat. I'm pimping on that one. I'm so glad, because look, I needed one, y'all. So all right, but to the bigger point of this video, no more fucking coolant spot. With German Auto Solutions, I no longer have a coolant leak anymore, because it was the coolant cap that was leaking. So if you ever had that residue on your cap, you know what was leaking. It's the coolant cap. So we're doing awesome today. I'm gonna enjoy my damn new floor mat, but not no fucking mosquitoes in my car. So let me hurry and get in here while he's out of the car. Alright, y'all have a good day. We'll be back with some more cool stuff. Hopefully do more fun stuff. We haven't got there yet, but it's on its way, y'all. I made a mistake with the turbo kit. I got to send a bunch of intercooler piping back, or actually I got to sell a bunch of intercooler piping. So if you know anybody who needs 2.5-inch intercooler piping, holla at me. I got a bunch of it. I need 3-inch, or if you want to do a trade, let's trade. So let your boy know. And the HPX mass airflow sensor. You know anybody with a HPX mass airflow? Hit me up.